Avanji Modern English School. Today we are going to start chapter number 5 of Maths, Metric Measures Capacity. In previous video, you have done exercise 5.3 question number 1, addition and capacity of addition and the following. Yes, student. Today we will start exercise 5.3 from question number 2. Yes, add and then convert to liter and milliliter. So let's start, student. Exercise 5.3 question number 2, add and then convert to liter and milliliter. पहले ऐड करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, इसके बाद ऐड करने के बाद जो डिजिट हमारी आती है मिलीलीटर की, उसको कन्वर्ट करना है लीटर और मिलीलीटर के अंदर. ओके, एक्सरसाइज 5.3. पेज नंबर 170. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, add and then convert to meter and milliliter, to liter and milliliter. First digit, 505 milliliter. Next 156 milliliter. Next 980 milliliter. Yes, student. This sums is 3 steps. Yes, sums कितने steps का है? 3 steps का. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will do addition. 5 plus 6, 11. So we will write here 1, carry over 1 to the next column. Okay, student. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So we will write here 4 and carry over 1 to the next column. Then 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 9 plus 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So we will write here 16. We get answer is, student, 1641 milliliter. Now we will convert. Milliliter to liter and milliliter. Divide by 1000. Okay, so first 1 liter and 641 milliliter. Now let us see next sum. B, 658 milliliter. 651 milliliter. Next 890 milliliter. Now we will do additions. Okay, 8 plus 1 is, student, 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will write here 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. So we will write here 9 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So we will write here 21. So we get answer 2190 and add. Now then now we will convert milliliter to liter and milliliter. Divide by 1000. 1000 के द्वारा डिवाइड करके हम मिलीलीटर को कन्वर्ट किसमें करेंगे? लीटर और मिलीलीटर में करेंगे. ओके, तो फर्स्ट डिजिट इज लीटर and 199 is milliliter. So we will write here 2 liter, then 199 milliliter. Okay, student. Now let us see next sum. 783 milliliter. Next 516 milliliter. Next 908 milliliter. Now we will do addition. 6, 3 plus 6 is student 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8 is student 9 plus 8 is 17. So we will write here is 7 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 8 digit 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will write here 0 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next digit add. We will add next digit student. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So we will write here 22. Now we get answer. We get answer 2207 ml. Okay. Then now we will convert. We will convert milliliter to liter and milliliter divide by 1000. Okay. So 2 is liter and 207 is milliliter. Okay. So we will write here 2 liter 207 milliliter. Okay, students. Now let us see next sums. Next sums is D. 902 milliliter. Next 300 milliliter. Next is 809 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Okay. So let's 902, 300 and 809. Now we will do addition. 2 plus 9 is student 11. So we will write here 1 and carry over 1 to the next column. Then 0, 0, 0. That जो हमारा कैरी है उसको हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 1. नेक्स्ट हमारा होगा ओके स्टूडेंट. तो 9 plus 2 11 का 1 carry 1. And it is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is student 12. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is student 20. So we will write here 22,011 ml. Then we will convert. We will convert milliliter to liter and milliliter divide by 1000. Okay. So 2 liter and 11 milliliter. So we will write here 2 liter, then 11 milliliter. Okay, student. Please, student, note down all of these sums in your notebook. Sorry, textbook. In your textbook. Okay. Have you written student? Now we will move on next exercise. Exercise 5.4. Subtraction of capacity. subtract the following. Subtract the following. Student, question number 1A already solved in your term book. So we will start question number 1B. Okay, we start from question number 1B. Liter, milliliter. Next, 49 liter, 369 milliliter. 49 liter, 369 milliliter. Next, 14 liter, 190 milliliter. Now we will do subtraction. In this question, we will do subtract. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या करना है? Subtract करना है all of these sums में. Okay, in all of these sums. So first, here is 9, here is 0. So we can subtract. हम subtract कर सकते हैं. Yes, student. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Then here is 6, here is 9. So 6 is less than 9. 6 जो है 9 से छोटा है. तो यदि ऊपर नंबर छोटा है और नीचे बड़ा है तो हम क्या नहीं कर सकते? माइनस नहीं कर सकते. सो we will borrow 1 from next digit. Okay, next digit से हम क्या करेंगे? Borrow करेंगे 1. Okay, so 3 will become 2 and 16 will become 6 will become 16. Then we will do subtractions. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is, student, 16 minus 9 is 7. So we will write here 7. Then 2 plus 1. अब 9 plus 8, student, मैंने पहले भी आपको subtract को चेक करना बताया था. यदि आपको अपना सब्ट्रैक्शन चेक करना है तो 9 और 7 दोनों को आप प्लस करेंगे. उसका आंसर हमको यदि 16 मिलता है तो वो सब्ट्रैक्शन हमारा क्या है? राइट है. ओके, तो 9 plus 7 16. यस, इट इज करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, देन 2 plus 1 is 1. नेक्स्ट 9 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 1 is 3. So we get answer 35 liter 179 milliliter. Now let us see next sums. See liter and milliliter. Liter, milliliter. Okay, 58 liter 780 milliliter. Next 34 liter 511 milliliter. Now we will do subtractions. Okay, so we will start subtraction from right side. हमेशा हम right side से ही subtraction हो, addition हो, multiply उसको right side से ही start करते हैं. Okay, student. So student, see here, student. Here is 0, here is 1. Yes, 0 से 1 का minus होगा क्या? नहीं. Now what will we do? क्या करेंगे? So we will borrow 1 from the next digit, that is 8. 8 will become 7 and 0 will become 10. Yes, friend. Now we can subtract 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we will write here 9 and then 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we will write here 6. Next digit 7. 7 minus 5 is, student, 2. So we will write here 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it is subtraction correct of milliliter column. Okay. Next 8 minus 4 is 4. So we will write here 4. 5 plus 5 minus 3 is 2. So we will write here 2. So we get answer 24 liter 269 milliliter. Okay, student. Now let us see next sums. Next sums is D. Liter and milliliter. 78 liter 246 and below number is small. So we cannot borrow from next digit. हमको किसी से भी digit से क्या नहीं करना है, यहाँ पर ml के कॉलम में क्या नहीं करना है, borrow नहीं करना है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल चेक digits. ओके, इसमें लार्जर डिजिट या स्मॉलर डिजिट किसके साथ में हम माइनस कर रहे हैं, ये हमको चेक करना है. तो ये तो हमारा 6 तो बड़ा है 3 से, यस, तो माइनस हो जाएगा. 6 minus 3 is 3. नेक्स्ट 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. वेरी सिंपल, इजली है ना. नेक्स्ट वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है. यस स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज it is less than 9. yes, 8 क्या है, 9. 8 is less than from 9. 9 से छोटा है. so we will borrow from next digit. we will borrow 1 from the next digit, that is 7. 7 will become 6 and 8 will become 18. now we will do subtraction. अब हम क्या करेंगे, subtraction करेंगे. then 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. then 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we will write here 4. Then we get answer 49 milliliter, 123 milliliter. Okay student, let us see next sum. Next sum is E. Liter and milliliter. Liter, milliliter. 90 liter, 369 milliliter, 37 liter, 246 milliliter. 246 milliliter. Now we will do subtraction. Yes, friend. 90 liter, 369 milliliter, 37 liter, 246 liter. Let's start. 9 minus 6 is 3. So we will write here 3. Then 6. 6 minus 4 is 6 minus 4 is 2. So we will write here 2. 3 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we will write here 1. Next, now we will do subtraction. Next unit, liter. Okay. So here is 0. Here is 7. 0 is less than 7. So we cannot subtraction 7 from 0. Okay, so we will borrow 1 from the next digit, that is 9. 9 will become 8 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is student 3. So we will write here 3. Then 8 minus 3 is student 5. So we will write here 5. Okay, so we get answer 53 liter, 123 milliliter. Okay student, please student note down all of these sums in your textbook. liter, milliliter. 56 liter, 123 milliliter. 40 liter, 369 milliliter. Subtraction. 56 liter, 120 milliliter. 40 liter, 369 milliliter. Okay, now we'll do subtraction. Student, see here, student. Here is 3, here is 9. So 3 is less than from 9. Yes, 3 is less than from 9. So we will borrow 1 digit from next. Okay, so 2 will become 1 and 3 will become 13. Now we will do subtraction. 13 minus 9. Okay, 13 minus 9 is, student, 4. So we will write here 4. Next, here is same again situation. Where same 1, here is 6. 1 is less than from 6. So we will borrow 1 from next digit, that is 1. So 1 will become 0 and 1 will become 11. Okay, student, here is 11, here is 6. So we can subtraction, हम subtraction को कर सकते हैं. ओके, क्योंकि ऊपर नंबर बड़ा है और नीचे नंबर छोटा है. ऊपर नंबर बड़ा होता है, छोटा नीचे होता है, तो हम subtraction कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज छोटे नंबर से बड़ा नंबर कभी भी subtract नहीं होता है. ओके, so 11 minus 6 is, student, 11 minus 6 is 5. So we will write here 5. Then here same situation again. Student, here is 0, here is 3. 0 से 3 तो माइनस होगा ही नहीं. होगा? नहीं होगा. फिर क्या करना है? 0. So we will borrow 1 digit from next. We will borrow 1 from next digit. That is 6. तो क्या है? 6 है. Okay, the 6 will become 5 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 3 is, student, 7. So we will write here 7. Then 5 minus 0 is, as it is number, student, 5. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, student. So we get difference, student. 56 liter, 123 milliliter minus 40 liter, 369 milliliter. The difference will be 15 liter, 754 milliliter. Okay, student. So 15 liter, 754 milliliter. Let us see next sums. Next one is G. Liter, milliliter. 35 liter, 434 milliliter. 21 liter, 505 milliliter. Now we will do subtraction. Okay, student, here is 4, here is 5. 4 is less than from 5. So we will borrow 1 from next digit, 3. 3 will become 2 and 4 will become 14. Okay, now we will do subtraction. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is, student, 14 minus 5 is 9. So we will write okay, तो 14 है, यहाँ पर क्या है? 5. Okay, so we okay, so 14 minus 5 is 9. We will write here 9. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So we will write here 2. Next, 4. Here is 4, student. Here is 5. Yes, so 4 is less than from 5. So we will borrow 1 from the next digit. Yes, student, that is 5. 5 will become 4 and 4 will become 14. Then now we will do subtraction. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is, student, 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, so we will write here 9. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get answer, student. We get answer 13 liter, 929 milliliter. Let us see next sum. Next sum is H. Liter, milliliter. 46 liter, 366 milliliter, 29 liter and 300 milliliter. Now we'll do subtractions. Okay, 46 liters here is 66 liter, 29 liters here is it. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, here is 6, here is 9. Yes student, so 6 is less than from 9. 6 जो है 9 से छोटा है. So we will borrow 1 from next digit, that is 4. 4 it will become 3 and 16 will become 6 will become 16. Okay student, now 16 minus 9 is student 7. So we will write here 7. Next, 3 plus 2 is 1. Okay, 9 plus 6, 7 is 16. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so we get answer 70 liter, 66 milliliter. Okay, let us see next terms. Next terms is I. Liter, milliliter. Yes, student, 51 liter and 298 milliliter. Next, 35 liter and 409 milliliter. Now we will do subtractions. Okay, so liter and milliliter. 8, here is 8 student. 51, 298, 35, 409. Okay. Next, here is, let's see here student, here is 8, here is 9. Yes student, so 9 is less than from, 8 is less than from 9. So we will borrow 1 from next digit, that is 9. 9 will become 8 and 8 will become 18. Yes student, 18 minus 9 is 9. So we will write here 9. Yes, 8 minus 0 is 8 and it is then same. Here is 2, here is 4. Yes, so 2 is less than from 4. So we will borrow 1 from next digit, that is 1. 1 is 0 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 student. So 12 minus 8 student 8. Okay, so we will write here 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So it is correct. Next, here is 0 student, here is 5. Yes student, so 0 here छोटा है 5. So we will borrow 1 from next digit, that is 5. 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5. So we will write here 5. Next 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we get answer 15 liter, 889 milliliter. Okay student, please student note down all of these sums in your textbook. Have you written student? Student, remaining portion of this exercise 5.4 JKL is in your homework. Okay, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको ये JKL चेक करवाएंगे, बट आपको ये भी होमवर्क में करना है. ओके, सो प्लीज स्टूडेंट होमवर्क नोट डाउन. टुडे होमवर्क इज होमवर्क exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3 question number 2. Question number 2, A to D. Solve A to D and exercise 5.4 question number 1. Question number 1, B to N. Solve sums in textbook. Solve sums Okay student, today's homework is exercise 5.3, question number 2, A to D, and exercise 5.4, question number 1, B to L, solve sums in textbook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, take care.